Sephora.
Hi guys, I'm Maxime Poulain, international makeup artist with Royale, and today I'm going to share with you some beauty tips on how you can look and feel more beautiful even if you have to stay at home at the moment. So let's get right into it. Today it's all about a great skincare routine. I'm going to go with some of my favorite of all time skincare. So I'm starting with the Abeille Royale Youth Watery Oil. So this one, you have to shake it a little bit before you use it. And I apply this first because it is truly a booster. Abeille Royale range, it's made with honey, royal jelly, so beautiful natural ingredients, of course, that gives you a great healing and repairing, but 10 years of science, right? So it's natural ingredients, but really clinical proven results. So oil first gives you a boosting effect for all of the rest of your skincare routine. You use just a few drops from your hand, and I'm gonna be applying from the center out. And then I will be doing a little bit of a massaging gesture with the fist closed. So I'm gonna go and grab the cheekbone muscle to really help create a lifting effect for this area. Okay, the zygomatic muscle, we need to challenge this little guy to create a lift. So the oil is a watery texture. So even if I feel like my skin is a bit more mixed or oily, there is no problem. This oil will really rebalance your skin, right? So pure honey and royal jelly. Also, I'm gonna be layering with the double R serum. So 2 R's for renew and repair. So the renewing effect is a really gentle peeling that will help to, get the skin turnover going, but also get the skin rid of all the dead cells and impurity, renews the texture, works also if you have some problems of pigmentation and really unevenness of the complexion, and intensive repair with pure honey royal jelly. So this is gonna boost cellular renewal as well. So for this one, just 1 or 2 pumps will really be enough for the whole face and neck. So you start for the chin and then you work your way onto your jawline, onto the cheekbones. Then I like to go